Super Prime gained 46k subscribers with just 3 videos. AI-pocalypse with only 12 videos to 39k subscribers. Jack Craig 37k subscribers with just 5 videos. Digital Income Project 26k subscribers with 8 videos. What's happening? Let's see. Super Prime's first video has 491k views and the latest video has 150k views. AI-pocalypse got 13k views in the first video and 1 million plus views in the second video and 42k views in the recent video. Similarly, Jack Craig's first video got 489k views and one of his videos got 824k views. This is how his recent video has 81k views. And if you look at Digital Income Project, a video has got 404k views. Are those for genius? Or all this is their fate? I analyzed those 4 channels very deeply and found something common in those 4 channels, or you can say they all use them and that's why they are getting more views. By analysis I got 4 points, but point number 3 is very important and point number 4 is my favorite. Number 1, perfect intro hook. First, you watch those 3 clips.
After 200 days of uploading YouTube Shorts, I'm now earning $400 a week at 400,000 subscribers. It was only 90 days ago when I was shocked to be even earning $10 a day from YouTube Shorts.
Who is better at creating thumbnails? A human or artificial intelligence? Every YouTuber knows a good thumbnail is one of the most important parts of a video. You can make the best video to ever exist. However, if you have a bad thumbnail, nobody would watch it.
If people don't click, if they don't watch.
Exactly.
This Instagram account with just 50,000 followers made over 30k last month. If you stick around for this entire video, I will show you exactly how they've been able to monetize this account and also give you a step-by-step blueprint of how you can start your own faceless Instagram account and achieve similar results.
In all the 3 clips, real-life example, related problems and some proofs for motivation are shown in the intro. That's why the audience is hooked in the intro. But will everything be done in the intro alone? Number 2, perfect video editing. Video editing needs to be perfect, but you might be wondering why I wrote mobile in brackets. Actually, everything is here. When someone starts new content creation, not everyone has a PC or many can't edit videos on PC. Although we like editing videos on PC, but editing video with mobile is much better as much easier. But the audience gets motivated when you know that many serious edits can be done on mobile as well. After perfect intro hook and perfect video editing, you can never miss the most important point. Point number 3 is background music. You watch those 2 video clips. Hit the subscribe button and join our family. Give a like and give your opinion in the comments. Hit the subscribe button and join our family. Give a like and give your opinion in the comments. Well, you must have liked the second video. Actually, background sound is very important for a video, but you already know that perfect sound and perfect timing are very important. Now my favorite point is because it will generate a lot more views. Number 4, catchy thumbnail. At this point, I see 2 points which are number 1, audience attraction. As you look at those 3 thumbnails, there is one thing in common: the 3 thumbnails attraction to those audience in different ways. Number 2, less elements. The thumbnail you see on them will have no more than 3-4 words and 1-2 elements that are text related. This gives the audience a solid reason to click on the video. Comment how the video was and wait for the next video by subscribing, because very soon I will analyze the YouTuber that has grown in depth and present it to you. Thanks for watching.